Okay, Sam, for this one, question 3, the way to approach this is like this. You've got V equals GM on R here, right? Which is spot on. Now, big G and big M, they're constants. What you're doing is you're putting the mass in. The mass of the satellite doesn't matter. The big M represents the mass of the body that the satellites are going around. Okay? So you can just consider them as a constant. GM is just a constant. Now let's look at the R. The R's on the bottom here, okay? Now this is right. The radius of X is 1, okay? So that means the V is proportional to GM on 1. But you can think of it like as GM being a constant K or being 1. So that's 1 on 1, okay? Now, it says that the orbital radius of satellite Y is twice that of satellite X, which is 2. That's right. So that's like a half, right? So when you think about it, you've got like root a half compared to root 1, okay? Now if you think of root a half, if you times what's under the square root by 2, then you get 1. That's for satellite Y. If you do the same to this one, you'll get root 2. So the answer is D, root 2 to root 1, okay? I hope that makes sense. Okay, now this one, okay, I had to read this very carefully to understand it. You have to actually consider the position of the captain.
What's our captain?
Okay, I'm doing a question for Sam. Just one. If you think about this one, you've got Captain X here, and he sees them both at the same time. Okay, so what that means is if he sees them both at the same time, this one must get hit first, and it's coming over, and then this one goes off, and then they both come at the same time. Okay, so just say that again. This one here must go first, so the light from it comes over to look at him, and then as this one's coming over, this one here goes off and comes to him. Okay, that's what he must be happening. So then it says here.
So Sam didn't do it.
Yeah. Okay, let me tell Sam. So Captain X sees the 2 laser impacts from spaceship Y at the same time. So we've done Captain X. Which statement about this event is correct? Okay. Now, if you're sitting here in the middle of laser 2 and laser 1, you must see laser 2 hit the ship first, because that one has to go off first so they can catch up to this one to go there. So laser 2 must go off first and hit first, and then as it's coming across a little bit of time later, laser 1 must go off so that the light from that one is there when that one's there. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'm going to upload this to YouTube.